Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You'll start by opening Google Maps and confirming you're signed in. This ensures your settings will stick to the right profile. Once open, tap your profile picture to access settings because the icon controls live location and navigation visuals. Make sure location is enabled system-wide. Without it, you can't change navigation marker behavior. Then navigate to navigation settings. This is the first actionable place where Google exposes markers and vehicle icon options. So proceed now to the next step. Once in navigation settings, look for vehicle icon, driving mode, or similar options. Google periodically moves these controls so scan related sections. You can often change the vehicle graphic to a simple arrow or smaller marker, which effectively removes the car image. If an explicit none option is absent, disabling driving mode or live view reduces automatic car overlays. Make the change, then close and reopen Maps to ensure the new visual choice loads correctly. This forces the app to redraw your current location marker. To finish, restart Maps and verify the car icon is gone. This step forces settings to apply. If it remains, clear the app cache on Android or reinstall Maps on iPhone to reset stored visuals, because corrupted cache can lock old icons. Make sure the app is updated. Developers sometimes remove or add icons across versions. If problems continue, sign out and back into your account, or try a different device to isolate whether it's account level, device level, or app version behavior.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.